Made of highly polished stainless steel. 2.5 quarts piece is the ideal kitchen tool for melting your favorite chocolate or cheese. Features stay cool handles with hanging loops. See-through tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking whenever needed. Dishwasher Safe. Made of highly polished stainless steel, this 2.5 quarter piece is the ideal kitchen tool for melting your favorite chocolate or cheese. Features stay cool handles with hanging loops and a see-through tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking. The pans are also dishwasher safe and induction stovetop ready. Top reviews from the United States. Very functional and economical double boiler. Anything cooked with milk or sugar can easily burn if not stirred continuously and conscientiously. With a double boiler, that danger disappears since the food never gets hotter than 100 C. After finally breaking my longtime Pyrex glass double boiler, I ordered this one because at 2.5 quarts it has one of the highest capacities, is a complete 3-piece assembly, and one of the cheapest. A double boiler is a very simple product, so there is no reason to pay very much for it, despite many vendors charging absurd prices. The glass lid makes it easy to see what's happening to your food as you cook, but being metal, you can't check the water level in the lower pot without lifting the upper one out for a moment. While shopping, watch out. Many products labeled double boiler just include the top pot, meant to be placed in your own bottom pot of boiling water.